Hi everyone, in this video we are going to explore a new feature in Microsoft Word called Review Mode. This new permission level allows reviewers to add text in a Word document and provide comments in order to improve the content of the document. The owner of a Word document can decide who will review the document, and reviewers cannot edit and make changes directly on the Word document, but can only add text that will be then approved or rejected by the owner of the document. Okay, let's get started and I'll show you how it works, this feature. Here I am in Microsoft Teams. I am in the general channel of the sales team, more specifically in the Files tab. I have here a bunch of Word document. Let's open this one, for example. Opening the Word document, I am then able, clicking on the Share button, to display a new option, clicking on the drop-down next to the pencil, and it is this one, Can Review. This specific permission will allow colleagues or co-worker to open the Word document, but in review mode only. This means that they can suggest some change to do or they can add comments. Let me set now this level of permission, and now I'm going to target a specific user. I'm going to target my colleague Diego Siciliani. Then I'm going to click on the Send button. It's important to know that you have this option directly in the Files tab Explorer of Microsoft Teams. I can go next to the title of the Word document, click on the Share icon, and here I have the same user experience. It's up to you. Now let's jump on Diego perspective and let me show you how it works, the Review Mode feature. I am impersonating Diego Siciliani right now. I am in the Outlook.com website. I just got the link shared just before. And now I can click on the button Open. I'm opening now this file in the browser, but of course you can open it also with the desktop of Word. It's up to you. Now, as Diego Siciliani, that just to remember you, has right now review permission on this document, I'm going to add some text here. For example, in this specific part, Wi-Fi connectivity is really important. I added now this short text, and as you can see is marked as red. What I can do here is change this other text, for example, and type rights. Rights. Then I'm going to delete this link, for example, and I'm going also to add a comment. Let me click on the button New Comment, and here I'm going to mention my colleague Giuliano. I would review this paragraph. Here we go. Now I can mark this comment as a task for Giuliano, and then I can click on the button Assign Task to Giuliano. Here we go. Now I have commented this part of the Word document, and I, in the meantime, created a new task for Giuliano. Now let's jump back on the Giuliano perspective of this document. I am back now on Microsoft Teams as Giuliano. Let me open this Word document and let me see what are the changes here. As you can see, I can immediately see the Diego Siciliani changes. I have this red text. If I go over this part, what I can do here is accept the suggestion provided by Diego or reject. I'm going now to accept this suggestion, and automatically this text will be included in the Word document. I can do the same just in the sentence below. I can click, in this case, on the button Reject. I want to keep the original version of this sentence. And then again, I can click on Approve, and I have now the new text suggested by Diego Siciliani. So this is how it works, the review mode in Microsoft Word. On the right, I have the comment added by Diego, and this is displayed as a task for Giuliano, for me. I can like this suggestion, I can click on the three dots, and then I can resolve this task if this is completed, or I can click on this checkbox. Let's do it, and now this task is completed. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, please consider to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time.